Good morning, Facebook. Welcome back to my channel, Real McCoy 411. Today is going to be a very quick video. I'm basically going to show you what I did last night to retain the moisture in my hair from my wash and go yesterday. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to put it up and get ready to go. Go. Hit the streets. Hit the streets. Pay bills. So let's get started. I always sleep with my satin bonnet. Always. And last night I decided to do the do-rag. Put my do-rag on. And I put my plastic bag on. Now before I put my plastic bag on, I actually, I sprayed it just a little bit. I sprayed my hair with some moisturizing water. And I just left everything the way it was. I didn't do any parts or anything. So I really wanted my hair to keep the moisture that it had. So today, the moisture is right back. So I don't have to add any extra. I do that so I won't have to keep piling up gel on top of gel. So my hair is moisturized. And I'm going to put it back in a little thing like that today. So I'm going to be getting rid of the part. And I'm telling you, if I have to touch up my edges, the only thing I'm going to be touching up my edges with is this Extreme Wet Line Gel. Wet Line Extreme. Extreme Wet Line. I don't know. But let's get started. Just touching it up with a little water. Like I said, my hair is low porosity. So the more moisture I get, the better. And yesterday I did keep my hair in that relaxed mode. I got so much rest. Oh my goodness. I got so much rest, y'all. And it was needed. It was so needed. Now, what I am going to do, I'm going to go ahead and go around my edges with a little gel. Just rub it in. Just rubbing it in. Because I'm in that stage right now where I don't have short hair. I don't have long hair. I have the in between the teeny weeny Afro, the TWA, and what can I do? That's the stage. I mean, what can I do? What can I do with my hair? What can I do? So everybody knows that when you go through that natural stage and you're in the process of growing your hair, everybody hits the, what can I do? Ooh, ooh, ooh. So I brushed it all up. Just a regular head tie band, not one of those little ones. Regular head tie band. And I am going to push it up. Right? Which I still have a little slack in it. So what I do carefully, without messing up the back, is I go in and I grab that part, I twist it, pull it, and pull it over. That way I can have as much pull as I can. So I was able to put it up in a bun. Now I have to grab Old Faithful real quick. Old Faithful. I really don't, but I'm just used to when I do my buns. I always like for it to feel like a swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. Now, since I am 42 years old, I do not know how to do edges. I'm not ashamed. I don't know how to do edges. That's the young girl thing. My daughter, she can do some edges and just be good. Props. No problem. I am going to use, well, I'm not going to advertise my makeup, but since I'm already in this stage, I may as well go ahead and just throw a little on. I don't wear a lot of makeup at all. I use the same color as I am. Normally, I would put some Smashbox. And what Smashbox is, this is the Smashbox. It is like a primer that you put on before your foundation. But like I said, I'm going to pay bills, and on some of them I may have to make some arrangements so you can go up in there looking like you got it all together. You know, you got to go in there and look like, I need another week or two. This here is just a matte finish. It's a matte brown. And I usually give it a little red. She almost ready. Throw in some loops. And I'm telling you, this hairstyle for this type of day and handling your business and all that is perfect. So, it is day 2 of a wash and go hairstyle bun. But not a bun, but Afro puff. Afro puff, that's what it is. I still move it up a little. I'm going to let y'all look again from the back. I hope that's good. Alright, that's the video for today. You all have a blessed day. If you are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you are already one of my followers, my subscribers, thank you so much for being faithful to me. I really appreciate it. If you're new and you hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit the notification bell. I may put out a little too many videos, but I feel like I share exactly what y'all need to know. And every time something comes to mind, a video is coming out. Alright, y'all have a blessed and faithful day. And have a blessed day on purpose. You can do that. Make this a great day. Alright, bye guys.